Another day, another sports game. Today we are going to go watch Emery play softball, which should be pretty entertaining. And then they also have a playground, so the kids are going to have a blast. Look at those muscles! Who's going to cheer for Emery?
Me!
What are you going to say?
I'm going to cheer for myself. Hey, we're watching it now. Go Emery!
Woohoo! No, Amber's not playing, it's Emery.
I was going to say go Amber, go Amber, yes.
What are you guys doing? Carson, what are you doing here? It's a big one. Woo!
Right there.
Here he goes. Whoa!
I'm 6 now.
You are.
I'm 2.
Yes, you are. Oh! You can do it, Xander. Go, Xander. They won 15 to 1, I think. 16 to 1. So it was like the mercy rule. They won.
Good job, Em!
Emery. Good job, Em. That was good.
Way to use that bomb clap, girl.
Yeah. Good morning. Oh my goodness.
You're so cute.
What is it? Oh, what is it? What is it? You're so excited? What is going on? What's going on? Did you eat all your cereal?
Hotter.
You don't have to put hot water in there.
Hotter.
It doesn't have to be hot water. It warms up the water.
We are going to make my oatmeal and Xander's. And so I don't know if we're gonna do this, but Mommy, she's being good. Oh, there's Dad. How you doing? What are you doing together? Hey, you little guy. Hey, you. Hey, you. Hey, you're spit out of here.
There he goes.
Oh, I see. That's right. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh my. She's so.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, so. You're so serious. Why so serious? Oh. That's quite the story. Oh yeah?
I'm gonna get you.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah? Oh yeah, you
Oh yeah? Oh yeah?
Oh yeah? Oh yeah?
Oh yeah?
Mine's bigger.
Mine is bigger. Yes.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Yeah, watch this.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah? I can do zombie too.
I can do the bigger jump.
Oh, I can't do that.
Robert.
I don't know if I could do that.
I
Yeah.
can do this.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah? I got this. Bang!
Oh, ice cream.
Got this.
Oh!
To the couch.
Let's see if this...
So we've just discovered I've been having a problem on my hands. Whenever Mom sits down, she cries. When Mom stands up, she's fine. She's heard the chair. Is this a fluke? She thinks it's punishment though. She has to just stare at the wall.
She's looking at the wall.
Maybe she's just tired. She might just be tired.
It was just as soon as I sat down.
Oh, Schmoopty. Oh, let's get her a pepperoni.
When did you eat last, Chubs?
Half hour ago.
Oh. Oh. But she did it to me last night when we were at the
Yeah, at the game.
field.
I think she already is still getting used to doing that. Like she wants everybody to stand up with her. Oh man, they broke out the kayaks.
Amber, it's gonna be a rough ride.
Goodbye, Amber. It was nice knowing you.
Little Sture.
Oh! Oh! Can we blast you off?
No, I'm good.
Jaden!
Not just to relax.
Just chilling in the sun.
Hey, those are supposed to be mine. Give me some speed. I need faster. Ow.
Yeah, there you go.
I want two like the normal ones. It's just because you're not normal. I mean, you're too normal.
That is multiple. And then
And we got these guys.
This is the great kayak race.
Look us.
This is the great kayak race. You ready? Set, go! Go, go, go! Restart!
Here's Jaden, and we have Amber.
All right, here we go.
Who's gonna win?
2, 3. Go, 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 go!
Now you're talking.
Oh! What?
I'm out, buddy. Sorry. I tried to give you a chance to play.
25.
Oh. 80. I'm gonna record your hand.
No, don't. They're all dry. Look at this.
No, I mean like your cards.
Oh.
She's working hard over there.
I thought you got your nails done yesterday. Why is your nail game looking?
It's my toes.
Oh, you got your feet done. Oh.
Yes.
I'm gonna get a bunch of hate comments. I'll say, if you guys think Ashley's a, then go ahead and comment down below.
Did you give Kayla permission to share your likeness or images? We had to sign waivers.
Sign a consent form.
Your turn, Ashley.
Sit up here,
We
bud.
had this whole conversation.
Hey. Maybe sour cream.
I don't think they do sour cream. I think they do milk.
Go, Joe. Sammy's gonna do a cool trick. We're ready. Here he comes. Here he comes. He's coming right for us. Whoa! Whoa, that's good balance. Xander, sit down on there. Yeah, let's see. Come on, dude. Yay! Boop. Woo! That girl. Who's that big girl? This girl, I had her just leaning back on me, but she keeps trying to sit up, like sit forward. Let's see if she'll do it. Oh. She gets herself forward. How does she do that? Girl, what you doing? You're just a little baby.